In this chat, we're breaking down what to do if you accidentally short-circuited your dimmer switch, causing sparks and tripping your lights, and whether turning it back on is a safe move or just asking for trouble. So, here's the deal. When you're screwing in a dimmer switch and it sparks, chances are pretty high that you caused a short circuit, which can fry the dimmer or blow the breaker. First off, don't just flip the switch back on without checking the breaker box. You gotta find the main breaker and make sure it's off, not just the tiny one for the room or circuit. Next, look around your house and see if other lights or appliances that stay on all the time, like your modem or microwave, are also off. If they are, you know the breaker popped big time. Take a close look at the dimmer itself. If there's any blackened or melted plastic, it's toast and needs replacing. Also, those screws you were tightening? Sometimes they accidentally pinch or short wires behind the wall, so be careful with that. If you're not super confident about electrical stuff, don't mess around too much. Electricity isn't something to take lightly because it can seriously hurt you or cause more damage to your home wiring. If you want some extra advice, snapping pictures of your dimmer and the wiring can help others guide you better. Lastly, if you flipped off all breakers but the lights still won't come back on after fixing stuff, it might be time to call in a pro electrician. One of the most common mistakes people make with dimmer switches and home wiring is not turning off the main breaker before messing around, which can be super dangerous and cause serious shocks or fires. Another big issue is tightening screws too hard or in the wrong spot, leading to pinched wires that short-circuit the system again. Lastly, trying to power everything back up without checking if the dimmer or wiring got damaged can fry your switch permanently, meaning you'll have to spend money on a replacement and maybe even more repairs. The fix? Always kill power at the source first. Handle screws gently while making sure wires aren't touching metal parts they shouldn't, and inspect everything carefully before turning power back on. If you feel even a tiny bit unsure, don't hesitate to get a licensed electrician to look things over to keep everything safe. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you're hunting for trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to electrical work or any home projects. It also gives contractors a chance to find good gigs from homeowners who really need help, making it easier for everyone to get things done right without stress.